In front of me is ZTE Blade 10, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on the following device. So at first, just reach the settings, then find and select About Phone, it's at the bottom of the list, and here, locate build number. Here it is. Click 7 times on build number, and as you can see now we are a developer. So let's go back to the previous screen, and under System, and then under Advanced you will be able to find developer options now. And here they are. You can smoothly use all the features, all the options here. So as you can see, you've got the access to all developer features. And for example, if you'd like to activate some of them, all you need to do is to tap on the switcher, and I picked force RTL layout direction, and you can see the change right after you click. Then if you'd like to deactivate it, mark the switcher again. And that's it. Then if you'd like to turn developer mode off, just tap on this switcher, and as you can see, they are no longer active. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.